The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, power passenger seat, HomeLink garage door opener, front air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.